but you have to come up with an insight about your industry so that you can call and say, hey, I have an idea I wanted to get your opinion on. The idea is not, if you do business with me, I'll save you money. The idea needs to be something where you can bring all of your millions of dollars worth of management consultant to screen printers, to apparel companies. There's 50 ideas in your head that they're not seeing. And what you want to do is not say, is that something you're seeing? You want to say, how are you dealing with that? How are you dealing with the fact that sizes have been off? How are you dealing with the fact that a lot of the lower cost items, the quality is so bad that you end up getting returns, right? Oh my God, yeah, that sucks. We did have a lot of returns last year. When you say you had a lot of returns last year, can you give me a specific example? Right? Well, about 10% of our stuff came back. What did you do with all those? Donated them, right? There's nothing I can do with a, foundational t-shirt, right? Now, how much in your top line revenue is that? Now you're having a skillful conversation, right? If, does it make sense for me to get a quote over? Now, it's going to be a little bit more per item, but if we could eliminate, say, 80% of your returns, by the math that I'm looking at that you're doing here, we're actually going to give you back an additional 7% in profit, right? Now you're having a good conversation.